You sound like a bloke.
Blue.
You want to eat? No, it's not time. You just ate.
So do we like bark at other dogs or just like people walking by? And how long do you do this? Do you do this all day?
Sit.
Sit. Sit.
What's in your mouth?
No, Dodger.
What's in your mouth?
It's in your mouth. Come on, come on. Look at this. Look. 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 Oh, and darts. And another ball.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Left field. Back on it, Dwight Smith. In the corner, reaches up and made the catch!
Pretty sure he's saying hello.
Only time his bitch ass want to listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy? This what you want? Huh? Here.
L'espoir est un plat bien trop vite consommé à sauter les repas. Je suis habituée à vouloir. Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Milo, I have something to tell you. You're adopted.
Oh no! Oh no, honey. That's your problem. What's your problems, huh? Ooh.
Hi, Mimi. Watch, her ears go like really far back whenever I do like the heavy metal sound.
Come here, I got you something. You're gonna love it. I'm really excited. I think you're really gonna like it.
What color was she before?
She's a golden. What? Anybody want her?
Yes.
Very, very hungry.
Can I help you?
你别笑，要做一个专业的演员吗？
Let me show y'all something real quick. This is my dog, Allie. Ain't she the cutest? Yeah, until she get a bone. Then she become a crackhead. Look at her. So cute. See? So nice. Now watch. When I give her this bone, and me and my friend right here try to take it. Pray for me. Pray for us. She the bit. My hand just might be bleeding under here. You look evil. You look evil. Me and my friends tired. Enough is enough.
Buddy, I got something for you. I got a friend. You want a new friend? What is that? It's a cockroach.
Listen up. Y'all not about to keep beefing with each other. Stop hitting him. Stop hitting him. Jewel, Jewel, this is Gangster. Gangster, this is Jewel. Don't hit him. Don't hit him. Stop it. Clavon, stop it. Stop. Please. Ouch. 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 Well, at least y'all know each other. Oh, you motherfucker.
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts.
You ready for Christmas dinner? Christmas dinner in bed for little cat. Good boy. Merry Christmas.
Found a stick on the ground and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick and I'm using it today. I got a stick, got a stick.
Come on, I'm going bye-bye in the car. Come on, Clyde.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Bye.
Let's go. What, you don't want to leave?
You want to stay here?
All right, bye, Clyde.
Bye. We love you.
See you later.
Be a good boy. He doesn't want to leave.
You want to go in the car? He wants to bring his blanket in the car? Yeah? Hey, Clyde, you outside? Clyde? Hello? Where is he? Where's Clyde? Clyde?
This is from Mommy. This is from Daddy. From Grandma. This is from the mailman. It's from Daddy.
Got a lot of dogs, check. I'm only saying that because I don't remember the sound, nor can I find it. So yeah. This is Riley. She's a Rottweiler. She's so cute. She I think is like 1.5 years old. This is Rico. He's a little Chihuahua. He's long-haired and he's so friendly and cuddly. This is Simon. He is a Beagle Chihuahua mix. He is my first pup that I ever got. This is Trap Money Benny. He goes by Benny for short, and he is a pug. He's 7 months old, and he's not sad. He's just so tired. This is Cadence. She's a Pekingese, and she really likes sleeping under the couch. This is Mia. She's a Chihuahua, and she is the happiest and cutest little pup ever. Hi. This is Donovan. He's also a Pekingese, and he is the grumpy old man of the family. And this is Peyton, a Pekingese as well. And she's missing her eye, but she's still so cute.
Hello, we're twins. We're twins. Yes, sir. I am me. She is she. Except when I pretend I'm her. And when we switch, you can't tell which is which.